good.
Okay, guys, so this is part 2.
We're gonna go faster. So
Okay.
this one is a 6 because it's like small but it's cute and it's slow rising kind of.
This one is a 9 because it's slow rising if you like do it somewhere. So yeah, like you cut cheap. Like you cut cheap. There's all the fidgets on the floor.
This one is cute, but it's like I wish there was more in it. It's like half of it is empty, and so I give it a 5 because it's like half.
Yeah, same with me. I have the same thing that she was choosing. So I don't want to throw that at Rosie.
I'll throw it. I give this
Careful, Ro.
like a 4 because it's like
Rosie?
a 5.
I give this one a 3 because it's dirty, but like I like the sand in it. Like I like to do this. So yeah.
This one's really watery. So it's like, but it has like foam in it, kind of. It's really watery. I feel like you're wet in it. So I give it like a 4.
I give it like a 5 because like it makes your hands really like.
So you can clean keyboards with it and stuff. Like you have to do that.
It's possible to get in. So yeah, I rate it like a 5.
And we gotta keep it here because.
Yeah, Rosie will.
Oh, this one I do not like. It's really weird texture.
She really hates that one.
It's a 1, I swear. It's like.
I give this one a 2 because it's not like all mochis. And
it's really hairy. You gotta keep it here.
I will hunt you in my dreams.
Okay, we got faster.
Like what is that? Ugh,
this one's like a 5 because it's a little
I give it a 3 because it's impossible to do. So look, you get that one a little bit.
Are you having spaghetti or noodles, butter, and cheese?
Spaghetti.
Are you having spaghetti or noodles? Oh,
but kind of like spaghetti with no sauce. With no tomato sauce.
So noodles.
you want just noodles? You want a bowl of plain noodles?
Do you want butter and
butter.
cheese on them?
Butter and cheese.
I want butter and cheese.
I don't like
too.
tomato sauce.
So you're having noodles, butter, and cheese.
Yeah, me too.
So I just came in and asked you both. And you said spaghetti, and you said spaghetti, and then you said spaghetti without the spaghetti. Okay. Noodles, butter, and cheese.
Yes.
Noodles, butter, and cheese.
Jinx.
Jink.
Okay. I rate this. Oh, there's something inside of it.
Yeah, it's probably because I stick something in there. Oh,
A gem. So I'll give it a 2 or 3.
I give this a 3.
Okay, no explanation. Just give it the rating because we're running out of time.
It was the first squishy that I ever got.
Really? Oh. Yeah. This one's a 2 because I really
This one's a 1 because the silicone things don't even stick. Oh, they do. No. What am I saying? So yeah, that's what I rate that one. Look at the position I put it in.
This one is a 2 because it's not like a squishy. It's like
This
hard.
one is a 1 because it's too big. I brought it to school once and then it got all dirty and bad. But it does stick to roofs.
This one is a 0. Okay, we're good.
Explanation?
This it's not that good. We're not doing explanations because we're going.
Oh yeah.
This
This one is
a 0.
This one is a 0 because it's so
yeah.
hard. And like these are actually my fingernail things, right? Am I even pointing at the right area? Do you see those red things? That's my fingernail. Try.
This one's a 1.
This one is a 3 because I like it a lot. So give it. Oh my god. Oh, let me there.
This one's a 2.
This one is a 3.
This one's a 3 because it's slow rising. We can give a
This
little.
one is a 1. I mean a 5. 3.
Is it actually?
No.
Oh. Oh, this one's a 0 because it's really watery and it feels like it's gonna pop.
This one is a 0 because it, well,
Yeah.
actually a 1 because it sticks to walls really, really well. But, I mean, not walls.
This one is like a Rubik's Cube, but it's curvy. So it's like a 3. 3.
I hate this one. Absolutely hate it. Because how the heck are you supposed to get it back the way?
This
There's a lot of
one,
fidgets in the front.
this one's a 3 because it feels nice.
This is a... This one is a 2.
This one's a 1.
This one's a 5. Oops.
This one's a 7.
This one is a 5.
Son of a.
Please don't
B.
swear, we're making a video. Whoopsies!
Don't spill your juices. Whoa, what's going on?
We're picking them up after.
This one's a 7 because it feels weird.
Yeah, we have a lot of fidgets to clean. Okay, so this one is a 10. No, 9.
I don't know what these are. Oh, well, you can fit them together, but it's not really like a fidget, kind of. So I'll give it like a 3.
I'll give this probably a 5 because I like to just like put them back and then reattach them, I think.
This one's a 5 because it's like hard to squish, but it smells nice.
This one is a 3. Like you put G.
This one is a 4.
This one is that 2 because same reason that I did in my last fidget video because it's ripping off.
This one is a 0. Like, what is it?
This one is like a 0. Well, like a 1 because like it's very like fidgety.
This one, it's like a mini pillow, but it's not even that squishy, but it's flippy, and so it's a, I'll give this one a 4.
This one is a 4. Also, same reason because I like it.
This one's an 8, so like it's really nice. An 8, and she gives it a
10 because it's like, Mom, Daddy, how much did this cost? $6?
Didn't we get it for cheap? Was it on sale or something?
This cost is like $6.
Was it on sale? I think so.
I think. Thank you, Mama.
Do you want yours melted a little bit, Ella? You sure? That's okay like that?
this one.
Yeah? Yours is okay there too? Alright.
This one's a 4, so it's like ripping off and stuff.
This one is a 3 because ripping off and no, just
Well,
no.
these ones are
Again?
do these ones together because they're all fruit. So this, like, they're all together.